Beat Geeks.
We're on the WK1 2006 2010 Corsa Sport exhaust on this. This is the catback system. This will cost you about 2100 for the exhaust system. This is a before and after. So here's a before. And now he's gonna take off. So that's just a muffler delete with the stock manifolds, and that's how it sounds. So we're gonna get ready to put the Corsa Sport exhaust on it, and then I'll do a video of after how it sounds revved up, and then once it's wide open throttle. Shit, what up, back at it. So we're doing the Corsa exhaust system today. Well, I'm not, because my back's all fucked up, but you got Big Chi-Chi's over here. He's starting to get working on the exhaust. He's gonna remove the old exhaust system, the cab back, and then he's gonna put on the Corsa. You got something to say? It looks frustrated already. He's gonna be recording the video. We're probably gonna hear him say gay Jeep, shit's whack, these things suck, all kinds of bullshit, but that's who says this all the time when he works on these shits, but on everything. So I'm gonna fucking let him do his thing. This is kind of the update. He's about to get working on it. I'm gonna let him take over and let him do his thing. I don't know what I'm doing.
Just no Jeeps were harmed. Well, not yet, but you have to remove those two bolts right there. One right there, one up top, one where the long thick ratchet is there, then on the other side, and then a couple hangers. And I might have to cut this exhaust off, but just for don't want me to, but we'll see what I gotta do. All right, so I got these 4 nuts off. I believe they were 3 of them were 15s and one was a 14. I don't know if that's how all Jeeps are, or just this one, like if they fuck with it or what. Yo, no say. But these rusty, crusty piece of shits, dang, look at that shit. They're off. Yep. So you can see right here, they're starting to separate. So right here, where you see that little thing right there, there would be a hanger, but since they did a suitcase delete, that shit is not there. And then we'll head to the back and I'll show you the other hangers that we'll have to take off. That way you guys can know which other hangers we gotta that you gotta do if you decide to do this shit. Just know your Jeep might bleed like this, like if it's on its period or something. Blood everywhere. Not just playing, that's PB Blaster. Alright, so got my fat ass back under here. So towards the exhaust tips there's gonna be this hanger and la verga, and this hanger, which is gonna let this section fall down where the exhaust tips are. And then following towards the fucking rear diff and shit, yeah, the rear end, there's gonna be I don't know if you guys can see it. There's the spring. Oh yeah, this hanger that will have to pop off, and I believe there's one, yep, right here, that will pop off. That will let me, and then and you know what I mean. So let me get to it, but I don't know, I might have to cut, because it does have these fucking clamps that are hella rusty. I don't know. I might have to cut right here, but the boss man said he don't want no cuts. So shit, I don't know what to do. We'll see when he comes back. He went to go buy some diapers for his butt cheeks. Pulled out the exhaust from the packaging. You can see it comes with this nice I guess these resonators, this fucking nice mandrel band piping, and the hardware, which it comes with the 4 clamps, 4 bolts. That way you can put them right there, or put them where the sun don't shine if that's what you prefer. And this beautiful Corsa mufflers with the exhaust tips. Beautiful exhaust. The only thing, in my opinion, it could just use some bigger tips, but it looks like a good exhaust, you know, nice exhaust. And the main thing that you pay for, $2,000, you know, their sticker, Corsa exhaust. But yeah, all right guys, I'm gonna get it installed, and then I'll keep you guys updated from there. All right guys, so here's a little update. We were able to get this section of mid pipe, I guess you would call it. It's kind of a bitch, but like everything in life, everything is possible. Just gotta set your mind to it and you could do it. Don't give up. And we did, well, I did have to what is it, make the holes a little bit bigger because they are uneven, and they give you these 19s, and the bolt holes ain't exactly where they have to be. So I got the biggest drill bit that I had, my drill, and I just beveled it out a little, I guess you could say. And then on the other side, I had my daughter hold it up for me, and I had one hand, and then I had my other hand fingering the holes, I mean looking for the holes, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, we were able to get this section in. And then, as you can see, I already have the next section on its hangers. This piece is just gonna slide into these, and then with these clamps right here, that's what's gonna tighten them down, and you tighten them up, and that should keep it from leaking and stuff. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so I managed to get this piece on with the hangers. So in the previous little section that you guys seen, well, I had told you guys that I had put this part through and already had it on the hangers. Well, I kind of fucked up by putting it on the hangers, because you have to adjust it, you know what I mean, to get it to fit right. Slide it in and then tighten those two clamps right there, which that one's a 16, that one's a 16, and then lift it up and finesse these fucking hangers on, because since you want to tighten those, and that way they don't slide out, because, well, that's the issue I was having. I put the pipes on, I just put the clamps like loosely on there, and then I try to put it on the hanger, you know, and every time I did that, they kept on popping off. So I ended up tightening those two That way it wouldn't slide off no more. And then I put it on the hangers, and now we're at this section where we just need the Corsa muffler to get it started, you know. I mean, well, not to get it started, but to complete the Corsa catback. Fuck it, let's see how it sounds. YOLO. Look at who we got here. Big Chi-Chi mobbing the Hellcat swap CRV.
Fucking wobble death going 80
Wobble
miles per
death.
hour,
Hell
almost
yeah.
fucking crashed.
I never take it that fast, so I don't know what he's talking about. Anyways, Big Chi-Chi finally got home from work. We managed to get this in. Shit took me, shit was a bitch and a half, but we got it on. I recommend for you guys to take off these hangers all the way off and then put them on from the bottom. Don't try to leave those hangers on and slide the muffler in. And I also had to drop down the pipe that goes over the axle. That way it could give me some play. And other from there, it's on. Just these hangers are a little bitch because they're like, they got some metal in them, so they're really stiff, you know. That way your exhaust doesn't move around. And I also, you know, since I'm a cool, nice brother, I took my grinder. I had the flap wheel, and I sanded that down for him. As you can see, like, look at the rear end, it's kind of rusty and musty like Big Moan. And yeah, I just threw a nice coat of rust preventative black, and hell yeah, looks clean, slowly but surely. So now my brother's gonna turn it on. Let's see how this bitch sounds.
This motherfucker does not know how to work this shit to turn it on.
You say what? I mean, I was laying under there and you guys see me turn it on, so no. Hell yeah. So I don't know if you guys can see by like where the resonators are at, it has a stock hanger. It's vibrating on there, so I'll probably have to take the sawzall or the grinder and cut that shit off, because from what I have seen, all these exhausts, none of them have it, just the stock suitcase carries it there. But yeah, I don't know, to be honest, this shit's quiet as fuck.
Hi guys, this is the video, the WK1 with the Corsa. My brother got it installed. He's gonna rev it up, then launch it. So I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed in the Corsa, but I had a couple people message me before we installed the Corsa, and they just told me that to delete the resonators and it should be a lot louder, but it does sound good. It does sound good, but it's just not loud enough. But I'm gonna delete the resonators tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do another video of just a bit how it is. But it should be a lot louder tomorrow once I delete the resonators.